As we're looking at the map here, you can see we're zoomed out over Oklahoma. We've got Tulsa to the north and Oklahoma City to the west. When we zoom in, we've got coming in on Lake Eufaula there. You can see us zooming in to a Canadian area. Got to zoom back out a little bit and then adjust the map to where you can see Arrowhead State Park there on the Canadian area coming off of Highway 69. They got an airport, a golf course, and then there's Area 51 Marina right there. And then we were in the Turkey Flats area, which is centered right there in Site 8. We'll show that here in just a second. Lake Eufaula is a beautiful lake. We had a beautiful day to go there. Really enjoyed it. I recommend going. There's Harley living his best life, always smiling at you. There's steaks that turned out really good. We got them from Lavera's there in Krebs. If you ever go by that way, highly recommend going by Lavera's and checking out their meat market and all their Italian goods there. They'll set you up. Just let them pick out the stuff you need. Tell them what you're wanting and they'll get you what you want. That little hose right there connects onto the Blackstone and goes right back into the camper, which most campers are set up to where they've got their own propane set up and use the propane, and that way you don't have to carry your own bottle somewhere. Just use the bottles on your... Just a little thing we got. You've got a dog, which we got Harley here, and your RV has a leash latch like this. We got a D-ring, and it's real easy to latch and dislatch, unlatch. Makes it a little easier. Just something to throw in there. All right, night 2 on the camping trip. Got some burgers on the griddle. Listen to that sizzle. Can't wait for those to get done. Getting out the pan keeping me cool. Got Harley over there having a good time, waiting on me, just having a good time. Well, getting ready to close up shop. This is Turkey Flats. Not a bad little spot. About half of the sites are full hookup, half of them are semi-modern. Should have took a video earlier, but everybody say hi to Harley. Say hi, Harley. Sit. Good boy, look at that. Composite picnic table, sky hook, fire pit or grill. Fire pit's over there, kind of in a weird location. We got a pull-through site. A lot of people here this weekend. It's pretty nice. Met some interesting folks. We are in Site 8. It's pull-through. Not bad. Shade on one side, open on the other. Not too bad, but might recommend a different spot because in the evening you got full sun. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Keep RVing.